Hi everyone, welcome back to Glow with Gold. Today we are going inside Malabar to have a look at their latest lightweight gold necklaces. These gold necklaces range from 10 grams to 30 grams and making charges on these range from 14 to 16%. Enjoy the video. Starting with the first necklace. Now this one is a waterfall like necklace. It is called a jaler necklace. Look at the intricate detailing. This lightweight gold necklace proves that you don't need heavy jewelry to make a statement. Very intricately crafted, and this is how it looks when you wear it. It's a very nice statement jewelry at this weight. Now second one, if you think lightweight gold means basic, wait till you see this particular one. Look at the earring. It has a Chennai screw. See, look at the screw, right? It's a Chennai screw. Very nice peacock design. And this is the necklace. This is not basic by any means. Very nice peacock design, very unique shape, very nicely done work with little lines. This is what makes the necklace lightweight. It's very pretty. And this is how it looks when you wear it. Very detailed and very nice. It's going to look nice with your, single colored chiffon sarees. Now this one adds just the right amount of sparkle without feeling overdone. It can be perfect for work, it can be perfect for brunch, and it can be perfect even for special occasions. It is effortlessly chic, this one. Even the earrings are very pretty. Earring, you can wear this earring on its own, very fancy, very, very lightweight. This one was just 11 grams. And this is how it looks. See, it's so lightweight. And this one, what makes this piece stand out is the intricate detailing. It gives the look of a much heavier necklace while staying surprisingly very lightweight. It looks luxe but feels lightweight. And the earrings, even the earrings are statement on its own, very fancy. See, it has a Chennai screw as well. And look at the try-on. Looks good, right? The alternate design, alternate pattern there gives it a very nice look. And it feels very comfortable. Sits very comfortably against the neck. Now this one, it's very comfortable as well. The salesperson, the consultant who was there with me told me that they've nicknamed it a Gucci design. Just because the shape here resembles a G. They've intricately made the chain here. And it comes with a matching earring. The earring goes without saying, it has a Chennai screw. Most of Malabar pieces have Chennai screws. The necklace, it sits very comfortably, and you can see there are breaks. Gives it a very soft and comfortable feel when you wear it. It's perfect for a function wear. Now this one is lightweight as well. This one is, it looks heavy for its weight. It was just 11 grams. And look at the detailing here. Very nicely made chain. It's very high shine, high glossy finish. And the earring, it's very nice long earring, very nice danglers they have given. And this is how it looks. I think these are going to look great with your very lightweight, soft chiffon sarees. It has a very chic feel to it. Now this is a step chain. These are very in right now. These are very trendy. They've added colorful beads here. I think they have done this to break the monotony. And here they have given chain at the back. It's very strong. It weighs around 24 grams, and this is how it looks. See, I personally would not go for step chain like this. I think my mom would love it, but not my thing. Now this one, again, here you can see, similar to the one I showed you before. Very nicely done work. The pink color here, you can see it's polish. The pink and the white color, it's polish. It's not rose gold. It's a polish that they have used. And this is how it looks. Very pretty, right? Very lightweight and very pretty. So, all right, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the collection. Let me know your favorite and how you're going to style them. And hit like and subscribe to keep glowing with gold. Bye. See you in the next one. And I hope you, if it's there in my channel, please go ahead and watch my Polki video. I have curated a stunning Polki collection of necklaces and rings. You are going to fall in love with those Polki necklaces. Bye.